Hello, and welcome to the communication skills portion of our series for Christian lovers only. I'm Dr. Clarence Walker.
And I am Dr. Jayola Walker. If you went through the retreat portion, we know you had a great time. This is the communication training portion of this 3-part curriculum. For the next 8 weeks, you will learn important skills that will bless you and improve the way that you talk to and listen to each other. You will be able to work through all other issues once you learn to really hear and to be heard.
This must be very important because God was the ultimate communicator. The scriptures say that God spoke the world into existence. He communicated and the world was. We were made in His image. Therefore, we were made to communicate.
Now we need you to open your heart and mind to change. You've been communicating since you were very young, but all of us develop patterns that were not so good. So don't look at your spouse thinking, oh yeah, you need to get yourself together. But say, it's me, Lord, standing in the need of prayer.
Now, whether you've been married 5 months, 5 years, or 50 years, we can all grow and get better. So let's break up the fallow ground of our hearts. Just say, Lord, I release you to change me. I want the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart to be acceptable in God's sight.
Join us every week. Do the assignments, do the exercises. Be committed and you will be blessed.